Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In this video, we will see what are the shortcut keys which are available for Windows 11 so that our day in and day out tasks get easy. Instead of using mouse clicks or different menus, different settings option, you can just use the shortcut key for your day in and day out activities. So let us start with the first key. The first key is Control and Escape. It will open the start menu. So Control and Escape will open the start menu. Press Escape key to close the start menu. The second shortcut key is there is a key with a Windows logo on your keyboard. Press Windows and A key to open the network settings menu. So you will see a menu is opened for network settings. You can also use the same menu to increase or decrease the volume and to set the airplane mode, and also you can adjust the night light. The third shortcut key is Windows and E key to open the File Explorer. Once the File Explorer is opened, press the Windows key and up arrow key to maximize. If you want to minimize, again press Windows key and down arrow key or bottom arrow key to minimize. If you have opened multiple windows on your desktop, simply press Windows key and D key to hide all the windows. Pressing the Windows key and the D key will open the windows again, which you have minimized. When you use Windows and E key to open the File Explorer, within the File Explorer, there are other shortcut keys. Let us look into those shortcut keys which we can use. First, if I wanted to enter into this address bar, then I have to use Alt D. So Alt D will take you to the address bar. When you are in Alt D, you can straight away go to any drive location. D drive is not there, so I have to use C drive. So I am able to move to C drive. If I wanted to search for files and folders, I have to go to this location to use the search option. There is a shortcut key which I can use for search option. The shortcut key is Control and E. It will take me directly to this search option. You can see the cursor is blinking at the search location. So you can search for any files or folders. You can use the search option to search for your files and folders. If I wanted to open new windows within the File Explorer, I can use Control and N key to open the new window. So Control and N key will open the new window. So this new window will have the same files and folders which you were accessing previously. If I wanted to open additional tab within the File Explorer, I can simply use Control and T key. You can see there is a new tab which is opened. So Control and T will open another tab. So these are the tabs which has been opened If I wanted to move between the tabs, I can use Control and Tab key to move between the tabs. You can see the tabs are getting highlighted, and now I am into different tab. Control Tab to move between the tabs. See, I am in this particular folder level. If I wanted to move to the topmost level, simply press Home key to take you to the first folder. So now, after pressing the Home key, I am in the first folder level. If I wanted to come to the bottom, I can simply press the End key. It will take me to the last file or folder in the File Explorer. Windows plus I key on your keyboard will open the settings. So Windows key and I key will open the settings. If you press Windows and N key, it will open the notification menu. This is the notification menu which has been opened. If I wanted to minimize, again Windows and D key to minimize the windows. If I have opened multiple windows and if you wanted to minimize all the windows at once, Windows and M key will minimize all the windows at one shot. Sometimes you wanted to use the Run dialog box to straight away enter the commands. Pressing the Windows and R key on your keyboard will open the Windows Run dialog box. Windows and S key will allow you to search for any application. You see, I have a search bar. After pressing Windows key and S key, Windows key and S to search. You can search for the applications. In some of the applications, you don't find the menu bar itself. In case if you wanted to use the menu bar and see the full menu bar options, you can use the function and F10 key to see the menu bar. When you use File Explorer, it is not showing the menu bar. If you use Mozilla and press function and F10, you will see the menu bar which has opened. So this is the menu bar. If you find any difficulties, this is the menu bar which you can see. If you find any difficulties seeing the menu bar in any of the applications, if the application supports the menu bar, then you can use the function and F10 key to view the menu bar. Similarly, there is also a shortcut key to close all your windows, which is Alt and F4. Alt and F4 key will close all the windows. Pressing Alt and therefore continuously will close all the windows. And also it will prompt for shutdown. This brings the old dialog box which you see here, and it will ask for you to shut down or restart or hibernate. Press Alt and F4 to see this particular dialog box. You can choose shutdown or restart the operating system. In File Explorer, there is also a shortcut key which you can use for search. The shortcut key is function and F3. If you use the function and F3, you notice the cursor has moved to the search bar. This is similar to what we have seen earlier while using Control and E key. So Control and E key and function and F3 key does the same work for allowing you to search the files and folders.